Wala ka na lalaki. Ha? Sino ba yung mag-shotgun? Mag-shotgun lang, yan lang.
Yan, shuffling daw. Ha?
So, dyan sa tayo kukuha. Tignan natin. Pababa ako. Sir! What's your name? Manny! Okay ako. Manny. Sir! I will remove the cards. You say stop anywhere you want. Ready? Go! Stop. Dito? Yes? Okay. Take the card. Show it to everybody. Huwag mo hindi ka sa akin. Okay? Show it to everybody. Done? Nakita niyo ba lahat? Nakita niyo lahat? Okay, gusto ko yun natin. So, Manny, I will try to read your mind. I will try to read your mind. Titignan ko kung kaya kong hulaan yung card mo. Okay? Is it a red card or a black card? Pwede ka magsinungaling. Red or black? Pwede ka magsinungaling. Red. Alam ko, pinawag na lang ako. Nag-reverse psychology na lang ako. I will go to the other card. Sir Manny, this is your card. Yes.
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 Yes. This is the shape of your card. Yes. Yes. Alam ko nagpa-pay ka lang. Your card is not a red card. Your card is a black card, Sir Manny. And this is your card, yes? No? Are you sure? Are you sure? Is this the card, ladies and gentlemen? Ito gawin natin. This is not the card. I will try to plan B. This is a deck of cards, 52 cards, and your chosen card is in the middle of the deck. Yes. Thank you very much. Done?
Huh?
Are you guys amazed? Yes? Tama ba? Your chosen card is in the middle of the deck.
No?
Tama? Thank you. Tapos na. Sir Manny, concentrate on your card. Okay, concentrate on your card. Block number 7, please.